Monday.com versus Asana versus ClickUp, a comprehensive comparison of project management tools. These three project management platforms are among the most popular tools for teams looking to stay organized and boost productivity. But which one is the best fit for your business? In this detailed guide, we'll explore the differences between these tools in terms of pricing, features, pros and cons, and help you decide which is the right one for you. The importance of project management tools. As businesses grow, the complexity of managing tasks, projects, and teams can become overwhelming. Project management tools streamline this process, offering ways to track progress, set deadlines, and collaborate with team members more effectively. Whether you're running a small business or managing a large team, choosing the right tool can save time, improve efficiency, and enhance team communication. In this comparison, we'll take a closer look at Monday.com, Asana, and ClickUp, three of the leading platforms designed to keep your projects on track. Pricing comparison. Pricing is always an important consideration when choosing a project management tool. Let's break down how Monday.com, Asana, and ClickUp compare in terms of their pricing structures. Monday.com offers a range of pricing tiers, allowing businesses to choose a plan that fits their needs. Individual plan, free. This plan is designed for personal use, allowing up to 2 users with basic task management and up to 3 boards. Basic plan, priced at $8 per user per month. This plan includes unlimited boards and 5 gigabytes of file storage, making it a great option for small teams. Standard plan, at $10 per user per month. This plan adds timeline views, integrations, and automations, which are useful for more complex workflows. Pro plan, for $16 per user per month, you get access to advanced features like time tracking, dependency management, and additional automation capabilities. Enterprise plan, custom pricing is available for larger organizations that need enterprise-level security, analytics, and support. Monday.com's pricing is tiered in a way that scales with your business, but it can become quite expensive as your team grows, especially with additional automations and integrations. Asana's pricing structure is also designed to accommodate teams of different sizes and needs. Basic plan, free. Asana's free plan supports teams of up to 15 users with unlimited tasks and projects, making it one of the most generous free offerings among project management tools. Premium plan, at $10.99 per user per month. This plan includes timeline views, reporting, and workflow automation features that are essential for growing teams. Business plan, priced at $24.99 per user per month. The business plan offers advanced features like custom rules, portfolio management, and integrations with enterprise tools. Enterprise plan, like Monday.com, Asana offers custom pricing for enterprise clients, which includes added security, compliance, and priority support features. Asana offers a strong free plan that is ideal for small teams or individuals, but businesses looking for more advanced functionality will find the premium plans more suitable, albeit at a higher cost. ClickUp's pricing is the most flexible and affordable of the three. Free forever plan. ClickUp offers a free plan with unlimited users and tasks, though it limits features like storage and automations. Unlimited plan. At $5 per user per month, this plan includes unlimited storage, integrations, and dashboards, making it the most affordable option for small teams. Business plan, for $12 per user per month. This plan includes advanced features like time tracking, goal setting, and workload management, making it a strong option for mid-sized teams. Business Plus plan, priced at $19 per user per month. This tier adds advanced features like custom role creation, priority support, and additional automations. Enterprise plan, custom pricing is available for large organizations that need dedicated support, advanced security, and custom features. ClickUp's pricing is highly competitive, offering the most affordable entry point for teams and scaling effectively with advanced features as your needs grow. Features and benefits. Each platform offers a unique set of features designed to help teams manage projects more efficiently. Let's take a closer look at what Monday.com, Asana, and ClickUp have to offer. Monday.com is known for its visually appealing interface and customizable workflows, making it an excellent choice for teams looking for flexibility and ease of use. Customizable dashboards. Monday.com allows users to create custom dashboards that track project progress, team workloads, and deadlines in real time. You can add widgets, visual charts, and automate workflows to fit your needs. Collaboration tools. Monday.com is designed with team collaboration in mind, allowing for seamless communication with features like comment threads, file sharing, and notifications. Automations and integrations. The platform offers a wide range of automation capabilities, allowing you to set up custom triggers for repetitive tasks. Integrations with popular tools like Slack, Google Drive, Nuri, and TrueDrive and Zoom further enhance its capabilities. Visual project management. Monday.com is particularly strong in providing different views like timelines, Kanban boards, and Gantt charts, making it easy to visualize your project's progress. Team workload management. Managers can easily track team workloads, redistribute tasks, and ensure that no team member is overburdened. Monday.com. Pros. Extremely customizable, allowing teams to design workflows tailored to their needs. User-friendly interface with powerful visual tools. Strong automation and integration options. Excellent for managing complex projects across various departments. Monday.com. Cons. The pricing can add up quickly for larger teams or when adding additional features. Some users find the interface overwhelming due to its vast customization options. Advanced features are locked behind higher tier plans. Asana is a versatile platform known for its simplicity, yet it offers robust tools for managing tasks, projects, and workflows across teams. Task and project management. Asana excels at helping teams manage tasks and projects through lists, boards, and timelines. Users can assign tasks, set due dates, and add attachments, all while tracking progress in real time. Workflow automation. Asana allows teams to automate routine tasks with custom rules, ensuring that projects stay on track without manual intervention. Team collaboration. Collaboration is at the heart of Asana's design. Teams can comment on tasks, share files, and set up project discussions to keep communication flowing. Portfolio and goal tracking. Asana's higher tier plans include portfolio and goal tracking, allowing managers to monitor multiple projects and align them with broader company objectives. Templates. Asana offers a wide variety of templates for different use cases, such as product launches, marketing campaigns, and IT management, making it easy to get started with minimal setup. Asana. Pros. Intuitive interface that's easy for teams to learn and use. Excellent for managing both simple tasks and complex projects. Strong collaboration tools that foster team communication. Wide range of templates for various project types. Asana Cons. Advanced features such as portfolio management and automation are only available in the higher tier plans. Some users find Asana lacks flexibility in customizing workflows compared to Monday.com and ClickUp, more expensive compared to ClickUp at similar functionality levels. ClickUp is known for being an all-in-one solution, offering a robust set of features for task management, time tracking, and workflow customization. Fully customizable workflows. ClickUp stands out for its high level of customization, allowing teams to create different views, list, board, calendar, Gantt chart, and organize tasks with custom statuses, priorities, and dependencies. Unlimited users and tasks. Free plan. Even on the free plan, ClickUp allows teams to manage unlimited tasks and users, making it a strong contender for small teams and startups. Advanced task management. ClickUp supports task dependencies, milestones, and goals, ensuring that teams can manage both high-level objectives and detailed project steps. Time tracking and reporting. With built-in time tracking and detailed reporting, ClickUp provides a comprehensive overview of how time is spent across tasks and projects. This is ideal for teams that need to track billable hours or improve efficiency. Integrations and automation. ClickUp integrates with hundreds of tools, including Slack, Google Workspace, and Zoom. It also offers powerful automation capabilities, allowing teams to automate repetitive tasks and create custom workflows. ClickUp Pros, highly customizable, allowing teams to tailor workflows and project views to their specific needs. Robust set of features, even on the free plan. Best pricing model, offering excellent value for small and mid-sized teams. Strong time tracking and reporting tools for managing productivity. ClickUp Cons can be overwhelming for new users due to the sheer number of features and customization options. Some users report occasional performance issues with larger teams and projects, lacks some of the refined visuals found in Monday.com and Asana. Collaboration and workflow management. Collaboration is a key feature of any project management tool. Here's how Monday.com, Asana, and ClickUp stack up in terms of team communication and workflow management. Monday.com focuses heavily on team collaboration with strong features for comments, notifications, and file sharing. Its customizable boards allow for seamless communication across teams, making it a solid choice for departments that need to collaborate on complex projects. Asana. Asana is designed to simplify team communication through task comments, project discussions, and real-time updates. It's ideal for teams that need to stay connected but prefer a more streamlined interface. ClickUp offers an all-in-one platform for collaboration with built-in chat, file sharing, comments, and task assignments. ClickUp's flexibility in creating custom workflows ensures that teams can collaborate in the way that suits them best. Conclusion: which project management tool is right for you? Choosing between Monday.com, Asana, and ClickUp depends largely on your team's size, budget, and the complexity of your projects. Monday.com is ideal for teams that need highly customizable workflows and visual project tracking. Its extensive automation and integration options make it a strong choice for larger organizations or teams handling complex, multi-department projects. However, its pricing can quickly add up for larger teams or more advanced features. Asana is a great option for teams that want a simple, intuitive platform with robust task management and collaboration features. It's particularly strong for teams looking to manage individual tasks and projects in a clear, organized way. Asana's free plan is excellent for small teams, but its advanced features come at a higher price point. ClickUp offers the best value in terms of pricing and flexibility. It's ideal for teams that want an all-in-one solution with extensive customization, task management, and time tracking features. While it can be overwhelming for new users, ClickUp provides a rich feature set, even on its free plan, making it a perfect choice for startups or growing businesses. Each platform has its strengths, but understanding your team's specific needs will help you make the right choice for managing your projects effectively.